score. Saves from these evil forces win. Dino Ages win. Power from within. Victory is ours forevermore.
Well, that's it. Lines down here, fine. Couldn't find a problem.
Well, that's weird.
Yeah.
Let's knock out for today. We'll fill them back in tomorrow.
Sure.
Hey there.
Trent, does that guy at the bar look familiar to you?
Hi.
You mean the one in the blue hat? Not really. Why?
I'm sure I've seen him before.
Well, go ask.
I'm not just gonna go up to some guy I don't know.
Okay, can we get back to studying? It's driving you crazy, isn't it? Go ask.
Hey, do we know each other?
I don't think so. I'm Blake. This is Jesse. How's it going?
Like, you just look so familiar to me.
Do you follow motocross?
No. Why, is that what you do?
Hey. Yeah, sure. Here.
Okay, so you're famous for riding a motorcycle?
Don't be so surprised.
Oh, no, it's just, I didn't know you could be famous for that.
Well, why don't you come see for yourself? The Nationals are this week at Reefside MX Park. Bring some friends. I'll get you passes.
You asking me out?
No, it's nothing like that. Look, part of being a rider is spreading the word of our sport. Getting people to come out who never would on their own. I promise you, you'll totally be into it.
Okay,
Here you go.
thanks.
Cool.
Stand down. All right. How do you guys think that went?
Oh, dude, we totally kicked their butts! Yo!
I believe he was talking to them, Sensei Dustin.
Oh, right. Sorry, proceed.
Thank you. All right, before your next lesson, I want you guys to think about what just happened here. I think you all need to consider your commitment to ninja training. That's dismissed.
Shane, you kind of sounded like Sensei back there.
Yeah, well, speaking of Sensei, wasn't he supposed to meet us here?
Think you forgot?
When has he ever forgotten anything? Ever.
Hey, check it out.
Tori Shane Dustin. Go to the highest point in Blue Bay Harbor. Meet me there as the sun is setting.
Do not speak of this matter until I've spoken with you.
How's the new system going?
I don't think it's working right.
I've checked the routines, the subroutines, every line of code. It just doesn't make any sense. This is a map of California. If this reading were accurate, we'd have a blanket of evil spreading over the entire state.
You sure it's a computer problem?
It better be, or we've got some major trouble.
Sensei, is everything all right?
No, Tori. I'm afraid it's not.
Yeah, you don't look so hot. I mean, no offense.
None taken, Dustin.
So what's up?
He's back. Lothar is back.
Wait, Lothar can't be back.
Yeah, no way.
We saw him disappear into the abyss of evil.
If Lothar's really back, how are we gonna fight him with no powers?
Cam has been saving these for just such an occasion. Shane, Tori, Dustin, it is with a heavy heart that I must give you your new wind morphers. A dark cloud has descended upon us, and it is time for you to resume your duties as Power Rangers.
We won't let you down, Sensei. Let's do it!
Well, how do you feel?
That Blue Bay Harbor must be destroyed.
Why stop there? I want the whole country.
And then the world.
That's what I was hoping you'd say. I never thought I'd say this, but it's a pleasure to see y'all.
And it's our pleasure to serve under you.
Music to my ears.
Who are you looking for?
Don't you guys have ninja homework?
Yo, we finished because it was like really easy. Yeah.
Look, just go and contact your inner ninja or something.
Hey, you want to talk about this? We're family, remember?
Yeah, we're totally here for you, cousin.
Fine. Look, my father hasn't come back yet, and I'm a little worried. Ever since that whole guinea pig thing, I'd like to know where he is.
Cam, your father's like a really great sensei. I'm sure he'll be fine.
Yeah, and hey, you got us in the meantime.
Very comforting. Now, if you'll excuse me.
You know what? He's so gonna get those little worry lines.
Totally.
Ew, gross.
Yeah.
So, Cass, tell me again why we're here. I mean, not that I'm complaining.
To get an interview with Blake Bradley. He's like the biggest thing in Moto Toss.
Cross. Cass, it's Moto Cross.
Yeah, whatever. Mr. Cormier says I have to be edgier. And this is as edgy as it gets.
Yeah, well, that's true.
Oh, hello. I have a press pass. I'm Cassidy Cornell. You might have seen me on the Reefside News.
Well, your name is not on the list. And if your name is not on the list, you have to pay like everybody else.
What about those guys? How did they get in?
They were on the list.
All right, folks, we are ready to start the first 125 moto.
Oh, let's get over there. I don't want to miss the start.
The 30-second board is up.
Tori? Dustin, Shane! Are you out here?
What's this?
This was at the Abyss of Evil. The school.
So nice of you all to be here to greet us.
Uh-oh. I thought you were...
Gone? Destroyed? History?
Well, yeah.
Sorry to disappoint, girls, but I'm back in black. And needless to say, I'm in a mood.
Yeah, like that would have changed.
Never could keep your mouth shut, could you?
Who are they?
New friends I made down in the depths of the abyss. They don't say much, but they fight like the Dickens.
Yeah. Thank goodness you're here. Look, local.
We know. Isn't it great?
Capture them!
Gladly.
Ready?
Ninja Storm! Ranger Force! Power of Earth! Let's get him! Hot Blaster! Fire!
Sonic Fin!
Lion Hammer!
Time to bottle up my troubles once and for all.
Power down!
Huh? Going someplace, girls?
Hey, no, why not? We're family! Yeah,
Only by marriage.
yeah, but we can help. Yeah.
Like you did last time?
Yeah. No, seriously. We're ninjas now and we can totally kick butt. Ow.
Well, you might have a point there. All right, you're in, but only on a trial basis. One screw up and you're gone.
Uh-huh.
Well, now that's taken care of. On to bigger things.
It's all right. What about the others? Cam will be looking for us.
Exactly. And when he finds you, it won't be very pretty, will it?
No, it won't.
Haley, it's late. You should go home and get some rest.
There it is again. The energy is radiating from this point here.
Blue Bay Harbor? That's where the Ranger Ninja School is.
I've had some correspondence with Cam Watanabe. But they discontinued the Ranger program after Lothal was destroyed.
Hope you still have that number.
This is not good. It's happened. We need to meet. Hunter, good to see you. Thanks for coming. Sorry to call you away from your students.
I thought it must be important. I was hoping we'd never have to use these things. So, you think it's Lothal?
It has to be. Who else leaves purple slime in his wake?
You reached the others?
They're not responding.
So, what'd you think?
It was awesome.
Don't say I didn't warn you.
Thanks for hooking us up, man.
Oh, no problem, guys. Listen, what are you guys doing now? You want to grab a bite? Take that back. Looks like we're gonna have to reschedule.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, I hope so. Listen, it was really nice meeting you. I'll see you guys later.
That was kind of weird.
Not so weird. Let's go.
Evil Power Rangers? How's that even possible?
I thought we were the only ones left.
So did we. There's been an evil energy surge over the past 24 hours. We think the Abyss of Evil has been opened up.
Dr. O, you think Lothor's back?
Unfortunately, but there's only one way to find out.
Let's deal with these fakes.
Trent, you stay here with us. This is just the kind of opportunity Mesogog would take advantage of.
Right.
You guys ready? Ready! Dino Thunder! Power up! Dino Power!
That's far enough! You must be lost, because I know we didn't invite you.
Maybe you forgot. You're supposed to beat the bad guys, not be the bad guys.
Good, bad, what's the difference? It's all about power.
I guess we're gonna have to fight them.
Wait, I don't think so.
I don't want to hurt you.
Your mistake.
Oh, man.
Blake, am I glad to see you?
I got here as fast as I could. What's up?
We got trouble. Big trouble. They're too strong. We need to regroup.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. You better run.
The important thing here is that you guys are all right, and that we learned something.
What it's like having our butts kicked?
No, that's gonna take a lot more than what we have to defeat them.
More? Like what?
I don't know, Kara. That's what we need to figure out.
Evil Power Rangers. The irony of that is almost too good to be true.
Where do they come from, my lord?
An excellent question, Elsa. Wait. Freeze that picture. Elsa.
Who brought them to the party?
Lothor.
Lothor. He's a fool. Huh. A buffoon.
Yes. But one that could prove most useful. Find him and bring him to me.
Yes, my lord.
Reefside is about to get a whole lot more interesting.
Why don't we just use our Dino Zords and kick their ninja butts? I don't get it.
Yeah, I'm with Connor on this one.
Me too.
Look, it's because they're people who were once good, but something has happened to them. Until we figure that out, we defend ourselves, but we don't destroy them.
Well, that was quite a sight.
It was brilliant.
You truly are a strategic genius.
I can't wait to face the Dino Rangers again.
What about you girls?
It's amazing. Best thing that we've ever done.
Dana! Now I have to take a power nap. Leave me.
Come on. Okay.
You're gonna need more than a nap to beat the Power Rangers. Lucky for you, my master is willing to help out.
How did you get in here?
This is a private lair.
Back off, buddy. If you know what's good for you. Mesogog doesn't mess around with amateurs.
You don't know who you're messing with.
Wait, Tori. Mesagog has sent us his messenger. The least we can do is listen to the message.